and we're doing Lazy Man's chicken and dumplings. You can either do it with the Pillsbury biscuits, or you can just grab a bowl like this and mix up your Bisquick mix, and that's what we're going to be doing on today's recipe. So check it out. Come on in close. Let me show you the ingredients. Okay, guys, here's the ingredients. Carrots, peas, of course chicken, chicken broth, Bisquick, and milk. That's it, a handful of ingredients. Let's get this thing started. We'll be eating in no time. All right, first thing you want to do is pour in your chicken broth. All right, next thing you're going to do is add a little salt and a little pepper. All right, next thing you want to put in is the carrots. Then you're going to place your chicken in carefully so it doesn't splash. There you go. Now you got the chicken broth, chicken breast, and carrots in there, and bring that to a boil. All right, so what you want to do now after 30 minutes of simmering, you want to take the cover off and get your chicken out. Place it on a plate to rest because we're going to shred that up in a minute. Okay, next thing we're going to do is put our peas in. Keep it at the same flame of simmering that you had it on. Put your peas in there. Okay, now that the peas are in, it's time to do our dough. You're going to grab a bit of dough like that. I would say a small little ball size. You can round it, squeeze it, or whatever you want to do, and then just drop it in. You can get another one. You don't want it too big. Place them away from each other. Just so these don't stick. Just grab a spoon and gently move them around like that. Okay, and then take your shredded chicken, the chicken we pulled out to cool, place it back in. And we're going to simmer this for probably about 10 more minutes. Look at that. Okay, I just realized all chicken and dumplings is like bread and chicken noodle soup. That's basically what this is. And the dumplings make the broth all creamy. See that? It's not even a clear broth. It's kind of a thick and smooth broth. This just came out of the pot. As you can see, it's piping hot. And I can't wait. I'm going to burn myself. Here we go. I did add pepper to this. I love pepper on my chicken and dumplings. Those peas were butter peas, which are even creamier than regular peas. Not as sweet, but smoother. Great comfort food. It's raining outside. Couldn't be better. I love you guys. Try this out and let me know what you think, all right? Take care. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.